In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up document approval and signing in one seamless workflow. If you've been looking for a way to streamline document approvals and signatures in your business or personal processes, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily set it all up, saving you time and effort on every document you need to handle. First, let's dive right into the software we'll be using. I've tried all the popular options for setting up document approval and signing, and this software is by far the most intuitive and efficient. I'm sharing it with you today along with an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is upload your document. Whether it's a contract, agreement, or form, simply drag and drop your file into the software's dashboard. Once it's uploaded, you'll see options to add the necessary fields for approval and signatures. Now, to set up the approval process, click on the Add Approvers option. You can enter the names and emails of the people who need to review the document before it's signed. The software allows you to set up a specific approval order, so you can ensure that it's approved by the right people in the right order. Once the approvers are added, it's time to assign signing fields. These are the spots where the signers will need to provide their signature, date, and other necessary information. You can customize the fields depending on the document and who's signing it, whether that's a signature, a check mark for approval, or additional text fields. Next, you'll want to set up notifications so that all participants are aware of the next steps. The software will automatically notify approvers when it's their turn to review and approve. And once everyone has signed, the system will notify you that the document is fully executed. To ensure security and compliance, many of these platforms include features like audit trails and encryption, so you can be confident your documents are safe. Plus, you'll have a full history of who signed and when. Great for record keeping and legal purposes. As we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Setting up document approval and signing in one workflow saves time, eliminates confusion, and ensures your documents are handled securely. It's a straightforward process that brings your approval and signing process into one simple automated workflow. Remember, if you want to follow along with the exact software I'm using, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Take advantage of it while it's available. To quickly recap, first, upload your document, then add approvers in the order you want. Next, assign the signing fields, set up notifications, and finalize your workflow. With just a few clicks, you've set up document approval and signing in one seamless process. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab your free trial in the description below.